Hello guys, this is Sawan here from SM Academy guys. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about one of the best tips that will help you to get your desired score in the PTE exam. And guys, trust me, this is one of the most amazing tips that you have ever received. So make sure watch this video till the end. And guys, if you are new to the channel, so make sure you subscribe the channel as well, because in the future, if I will bring more content related to the PT, you will get the notification straight away. So make sure guys, subscribe the channel as well, and let's get started. So the guys tip that I was talking about is called mind map. So in this video I will explain to you what is mind map, what are the benefits of the mind map, and how you can use the mind map in the PT, and how you actually can create your own mind map for the PT exam. So let's say first thing, what is mind map? So mind map is an amazing tool guys that will help you to memorize the things pretty quickly and pretty efficiently. So for example, let's say an example of the PT exam. So in the PT exam there is 4 sections in the PT, like speaking, writing, speaking, listening and reading. If you start to write down all these things like in a key component, like the tips that you need to follow, what are the strategies and all that, if you start to write down in the list, you will not remember all these things, because your mind thinks in branches. So right, like a tree, all right, so like a tree, your mind thinks in the branches. So there is a branch, there is a sub branches from there. So I will show you the example as well, like the diagram that I have created, the mind map that I have created for the PT. So the same thing is, if you start to create the mind map of PT and you start to create the branches from there, like for example PT, and there is a branches from there like speaking, writing, reading and listening. In the speaking there is sub branches: read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, answer short question. Same thing in the reading: fill in the blanks, multiple choice, single answer, alright, multiple choice, multiple answer, and after that there is more sub branches. So if you are getting confused over there, let's have a look at this picture, let's have a look at this diagram that I have created. From there you will get an idea what I was talking about, and trust me, if you follow this way, you will get your desired score. So let's have a look at this picture. So guys, if you are look at this mind map that I have created for PT, so in the PT there is an overview part at the top, and after that there is test component, and from there is another branch that goes to format, preparation, scoring, registration, and at the bottom is the test center. So that's how our brain works guys. So in the overview you can see English language proficiency test. There is a computer based test and it's used for study and immigration purpose. And in the test component you can see speaking, writing, reading and listening, and the format you can see what type of formats that you will get in the exam, like multiple choice question, essay writing, interpret information. At the bottom there is the preparation tips, there is another branches from there like practice test, study material, time management, and from the bottom there is a scoring part. So in there guys you can create more sub branches as well, like from speaking you can create more sub branches like read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, answer short question. And in the read aloud you can create more branches, alright, or you can create even a separate mind map just for speaking, just for writing, just for listening and just for reading. So let's have a look at this picture that I have created just for the PT speaking, so you will get more idea from there. So guys, this is the diagram for PT speaking, the mind map that I have created. In the PT speaking you will get overview first, like what are the overview of the exam, right? Assess English speaking skill and part of the Pearson test of English. And from there is a key component, the question type, like read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, retell lecture, answer short question. And at the bottom there is scoring criteria, like how you will get scored. So fluency and your pronunciation, that's the thing that I was talking about. Fluency and pronunciation is important. And at the bottom you will see preparation tips, like practice speaking clearly and at a natural pace, alright, that's the preparation tips that you can use. Listen to and mimic native speakers. Use practice question to improve fluency. At the bottom there is challenges, like challenges you can see like overcoming nervousness. Most of people they get nervous like when they do the speaking. And at the bottom there is the mastering pronunciation. If your pronunciation is not good, so you have to work on that one. And at the bottom there is the resources that you can go and you can find all sort of materials. So from there guys you can create more sub branches as well, like for the read aloud, what are the things that you need to focus? Repeat sentence, what are the things that you need to focus? Describe image, what are the things that you have to focus? Like template, alright, you need to use a template, you need to maintain the fluency. Same thing in the read aloud, you need to be confident, alright, you need to maintain your fluency, You don't need to go back and try to recorrect yourself. So that's how guys you can create your own mind map. All right, so this is just an example. Okay, so you can actually create your own mind map, and in this way that will help your mind to digest the information pretty quick, because your mind thinks in branches. To write down like in a key list, like first thing this, second thing this, you need to do this and this, and if you start to make a list, you will not remember all these things, guys. All right, but instead if you create a mind map, first thing speaking, there is 4 component going out from there: read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, and all that. At the bottom there is another branch is going, what do you need to do. From there is sub branches, what do you need to focus. All right, what are the things that is important in the speaking, fluency, pronunciation, what are the other things that important in written lecture and describe image, templates. In that way, guys, I'm telling you, this is one of the most amazing tips. So just make your own mind map for speaking, for reading. In the reading, what are the things that you need to focus, how many question type in the reading. All right, what are the things that you have to focus in the reading and writing, fill in the blanks. All right, same thing in the listening, guys. Just make a separate mind map for listening. How many question type in the listening, on this question type what you need to focus on, in that one what are the strategies that you need to focus in that. And in that way, guys, if you will get the question, the things get pretty quick in your mind. Okay, this is the question, I have to focus on that. I need to focus on the template, I need to focus on my fluency, I need to focus on the pronunciation, I need to do this and that. That way you can easily remember like all the things in the PT, guys. I have used this, other students as well, they are using the mind map, they're creating their own mind map, and in all other subjects, guys, not just in PT, in other subjects as well, people are using the mind map, and this is one of the best technique to learn anything efficiently and pretty fast as well. I will attach those templates in the description box, guys. If you want to have a look on those templates, you can go through and look into it, and you can actually create your own mind map, and in this way you will master your PT pretty quick, guys, and this is amazing tool. So guys, if you have any question, if you have any doubts, just put down in the comment box, guys. We will help you in each and every way. So that's it, guys. If you found this video useful, guys, so make sure like the video as well and subscribe the channel as well, because in the future I will bring more videos related to PT, guys. So that's it, and see you in the next video. Take care.